Hello engineers, there's a job recruitment update by GRSE. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. It's a government of India undertaking under Ministry of Defence. They have released the vacancies for different officers post. The online registration has already started from 5th of April. The last date for applying for this post is 26th of April 2025. Right, let's see. The first post is General Manager. The pay scale is from 1 lakh to 2 lakh 60,000. The upper age limit is 52 years. Then it's a technical post, one for OBC category. It requires 4 years full-time degree in engineering or equivalent in the discipline of mechanical, electrical, electronics, marine engineering, civil, production, naval architecture. So all those students who have done their BTech degree in these disciplines are eligible to apply for this post. It's a very senior level post. That is why the minimum qualification required is 22 years of post qualification experience is required for it. Along with that, few new details are there which are mentioned here. You can see this. The next post is for additional general manager. The pay scale is from 90,000 to 2,40,000. The upper age limit is 50 years. It is released under the discipline of human resource. One post is released for OBC. It requires full-time graduate with 2 years of full-time MBA, PG degree, PG diploma or equivalent in human resource management. The minimum post qualification experience required is 20 years in the field of HR for this particular post. Next is Deputy General Manager. The pay scale is from 80,000 to 2,20,000 rupees. The upper age limit is 48 years. One post is released in the head of admin and security. It requires 4 years of full-time degree in engineering or equivalent, or it also requires full-time graduate with 2 years of full-time MBA or PG degree. So if you have done your BTech or if you have done your MBA, then you are eligible to apply for this post. 15 years of post-qualification experience is required for this post. The next is for manager. The pay scale is from 60,000 to 1,80,000. Upper age limit is 42 years. One post is released for ST category candidates under the head of finance. It requires CA or cost management accountant. 8 years of post qualification experience is required for this post. Next is for manager. Again, the pay scale is 60,000 to 1,80,000. Upper age limit is 42 years. One post is released for general category candidates under the head of security. Full-time graduate in any discipline can apply and 8 years of post qualification experience is required. Next is Deputy Manager. The pay scale is from 50,000 to 1,60,000. Upper age limit is 35 years. One post is released for OBC category candidates under the head of human resource. It requires full-time graduate with 2 years full-time MBA or PG degree. So the students who have completed their MBA can apply for this post. It requires 5 years of post-qualification experience. The next post is for Deputy Manager. Again, the pay scale is same, 50,000 to 1,60,000. Upper age limit is 35 years. It is under the head of safety. One post is released for general category candidates. 4 years of full-time degree in engineering is required and 5 years of post-graduation qualification is required. Means after graduating, 5 years of experience is required. Next is Deputy Manager. Again, the pay scale is 50,000 to 1,60,000. The upper age limit is 35 years. One post for OBC category is released under a head of medical. It requires MBBS degree and 5 years of post-qualification experience. Next is Assistant Manager. The pay scale is for 40,000 to 1,40,000. The upper age limit is 28 years. One post is released for OBC and PWD category candidates for the head of electronics. It requires BTech degree in electronics and electrical. So the students who have done their BTech degree in electrical, electronics or instrumentation are eligible to apply for this post. The post qualification experience is not required here. Next is Assistant Manager. This is under safety. One for general category, one for OBC category candidates. 4 years of full-time degree in engineering or equivalent is required. The next post is also for Assistant Manager. Upper age limit is 28 years. It is under Information Technology. 2 posts are released, one for SC and one for OBC. Full-time degree in Computer Science or Information Technology with 55% CGPA or percentage marks is required. The next is for Junior Manager. The upper age limit is 32 years. The pay scale is 30,000 to 1,20,000. 2 posts are released for OBC category candidates under the head of security. It requires full-time graduate degree in any discipline and 8 years of post-qualification experience is required. The next is for junior manager. You can see this is technical engineering. 2 posts are released, one for general, one for ST category candidates. It requires diploma in engineering or equivalent in the discipline of mechanical production or marine engineering. Then next is for junior engineer technical. 1 post is released for ST. It requires diploma in engineering or equivalent in the discipline of mechanical, civil engineering, naval architecture or shipbuilding. Then next you have junior manager again. It is technical post for electrical. 1 post is released for ST category candidates requiring diploma or engineering degree in electrical, electronics or instrumentation. The next is for junior manager again. This junior manager is released for it's a technical post. It requires diploma in engineering or equivalent in the discipline of mechanical, civil engineering, naval architecture or shipbuilding. Next is the contractual post. You can see it's a fixed term project superintendent. Then you have additional general manager. Then you have deputy general manager. All these are fixed term contractual posts. So you can see the details. It is mentioned here. The important thing I would like to mention here is about the application process. My dear, first of all, if you are targeting mechanical post, then all the students who have completed their BTech in mechanical and industrial, mechanical and production engineering, marine engineering, mechatronics, mechanical and automation, metallurgy are eligible for this. For electrical post, the students who have completed their BTech in electrical and electronics, electrical and instrumentation are eligible for it. For electronics post, the students who have completed their BTech in electronics and communication, applied electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation and control are eligible for it. For computer science and engineering, the students who have completed their BTech in computer science, information technology, computer technology are eligible. For civil, the students who have completed their BTech in civil structure, civil and structural engineering are eligible for the post. Like that, for naval architecture and marine architecture is also mentioned here. About the application process, so this I have already shared with you. Okay, so upper age limit is also shared with you. Then the selection process is the selection of all the posts except assistant manager will be through direct interview. For assistant manager, a written test followed by an interview will be conducted. You can see here. So for written test, part 1 will be discipline knowledge. 60 questions will be asked for 60 marks, and the part 2 will be general management aptitude test. It includes mental ability, reasoning, English, data analysis. 25 questions will be asked for 25 marks. So a total of 85 marks written test will be conducted. Okay. Chalo. Let's see ahead with this. So these are the pay scales which are mentioned for all the posts. You can just go through this detailed notification. We will provide this detailed notification in the Telegram group. You can join. You need to apply by visiting the website of GRSE, and the application fees of 590 is applicable. First of all, you have to apply online and you have to upload all the documents which are asked here for the relevant post. After that, you have to take out the printout of this application and you have to send the hard copy to the address which is provided here. This is the address. You can see this post box number 3076 Lodhi Road, New Delhi 110003. You have to send all the attached document with the filled application form to this particular address before the deadline. Then only you will get a call for this written test or interview, right? For the post of assistant manager, I think only written test is there. Interview might not be conducted. Okay. So the tentative date for this written test is in the month of May and June 2025 at Kolkata and Ranchi. Okay. Some of the important dates are mentioned here. Let's see those dates in the last part of the notification. If you just scroll, so the online registration started from 5th April. The closing date of online registration is 26th of April. The remittance of application fees means you have to pay the application fees by 26th of April. Receipt of hard copy of the application signed by the candidate along with certificate testimonials in support of eligibility through ordinary post only. This is by 2nd of May. So tentatively your exams will be conducted in the month of May and June 2025 and the date of interview is yet to be announced. So kindly check out this detailed notification. It's a very good post to work upon. If you have liked this information, don't forget to share with your friends and do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.